I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: OS build, VPN client version, and any recent network changes. Once done, collect the relevant logs from the VPN client and the system event viewer covering the last 24-48 hours so you can spot patterns. Next, make a controlled change. Temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus, or enable split tunnel to test whether local filtering is dropping the connection. This narrows the cause so you can proceed to targeted fixes without guessing. Now you diagnose the complex middle steps. Inspect keepalive, idle timeout, and rekey settings in the VPN profile because mismatches cause drops. Make sure DNS and routing aren't leaking or conflicting. Clear DNS cache and test specific name resolution. Update the network adapter and VPN client drivers, and reset the TCP/IP stack to remove stale configs. Then validate behavior on another network, wired or mobile hotspot, to determine if the ISP or Wi-Fi, and finish by applying the fix you identified. Set a persistent keepalive or raise the idle timeout to a stable value, and ensure MTU and rekey intervals match server settings. Save and export the working configuration, then reboot both the VPN client and the router to clear transient states. Monitor for 24-48 hours to confirm stability. If it still disconnects, capture a packet trace and compile logs. Then contact VPN support with those artifacts so they can pinpoint server-side or network causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.